Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge from Russell Brunson, who is part of Clickfunnels. And today my sort of intention is to explain to you what you can expect to see if you do decide to join the One Funnel Away Challenge. Sort of the things you're going to learn along the way, because it is 30 days. It doesn't sound like a long time, but showing up every single day can have, a bit of annoyance and a bit of disbenefit. So I'm going to talk about those in a second. But pretty much I've been through it twice now, not once but twice, considering a third, and it's to me a really good reset challenge. Too often we get caught up in day-to-day things. We might start something, lose a bit of drive. This way, if we do a 30-day challenge, we're in it, we're neck deep with other people doing the exact same challenge, and if we commit to 30 days, you can come out with some pretty cool results. So that's what the intention is today. It is ClickFunnels' flagship 30-day challenge, if you guys did want to know. I know they've done so many different products in the past, like they've got all the different types of expert books and secrets books and other types of challenges, but the One Funnel Away challenge, I believe, is the best. Now, in front of me right here, I have got the full sort of 5-week, 30-day type plan that I want to actually show you so you can understand what you're going to go through. And I'm also going to talk about, some little different things they've done. They actually launched a new video campaign for it yesterday, and it is amazing, absolutely amazing. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check it out. But it's incredible what they've done. So I'm really excited to actually get back into it. It's given me a bit of drive to try it one more time. So yeah, what I'm going to do for you right now actually is I'm going to jump behind the screen. I'm going to show you what's involved in the One Funnel Away challenge, and then hopefully you can decide if it's for you. And if you decide it is for you, I've also got a mega bonus going for anyone who decides to join through my affiliate link. I'll talk more about it at the end, and I'll link in the description for that as well. But first of all, let's talk about One Funnel Away, and we'll get into that in a bit. Okay guys, here we are behind the screen. As you can see, I have got the actual One Funnel Away challenge blueprint sort of thing here, and this is going to walk you through all the different days that you're actually going to go through as part of your 30-day challenge. Now, as you can see, it's not a very a small type of challenge. There is quite a few things to it, and there is also extra training on each of these days, as well as at the end of it you get experts sort of secret classes as well. They have sort of presentations and things like that you actually get as a bonus, which is really cool. So first of all, what you should know, the first week, which is technically the pre-training week, or week 0 you could call it, and that's all about learning about your belief, understanding about the framework of what you're doing, talking about why one funnel away, what does that actually mean, and sort of different types of stories of people that have gone through it, right? Lady Boss story is always a really good example that Russell Brunson talks about. And her journey into getting Lady Boss going. It's really inspiring. So this first week is more of a belief shift, right? Like knowing that no matter where you are, what position you're in, you can actually use this challenge for your benefit and come away with an actual business and business model ready to go. So that's what the first week is about. If you're in a stuck mood, or you're in a period of life where you just can't seem to get anything right, maybe this first week alone will be worth every dollar that you pay for the challenge, okay? So make sure you go through it. It is actually really incredible. Now, the second week is talking about your hook, your story, and your offer. If you don't know what that means, it's pretty much, like, what's your edge? What are you doing? What's your story? Where'd you come from? What are you trying to sell? Do you have any products? Are you selling someone else's products? All these types of things. And they go through so many different examples, right? So many different examples. So if you don't actually have anything right now, don't freak out. They're going to go through each little step, and they've got little worksheets that you print out and you can fill them in as well. It's really in depth. So that's essentially what the first week 1 is. That's all about, figuring out what your offer is, or what you can offer, as well as, your story, how you can tell your story, all that sort of stuff. The second week is actually about testing your materials, the epiphany bridge, publishing your origin story, testing your hooks and your story. So this is more about the storytelling, right? Because as you know, like, the difference between a good advertiser and a bad advertiser is the emotion that he can give the customers, right? And usually people buy based on customers' emotions, or people buy on the story emotions. So figuring out your story, no matter how boring you think you are, everyone's got a story, and they teach you these little ways how you can, recreate your story so it turns into what they've called the hero story, right? You'll find out more about that. I don't want to overwhelm with too much, information before we even get into the challenge. But that's pretty much what you're going to be doing. So it's all about belief. Then it's all about your different offers. Then it's all about your story. Then week 3 is actually doing the nuts and bolts, right? You'll be setting the funnels up. You'll be generating, your own landing page, your own sales page, or your bridge page. And then you've got like a one-time offer sort of a page as well, where you can actually upsell them to something else, which is proven to work. It's like one of the coolest marketing things out there. And then you've got your members area. This is good for things like membership courses, things like that. So this is really the nuts and bolts in week 3. And then week 4, this is where the fun starts. This is where we start talking about different types of traffic. This is where you can figure out, how you're going to start reaching the goals you're looking for, whether you're trying to go paid, organic, where you're trying to hustle in Facebook groups, where you're pretty much looking for your potential customers. That is where it's going to be, right? So it's still pretty intense. As you can see, this is only a 5-day training. Like the week before was a 6, and the week before that was a 4. So this 5-day training, even though it looks quite small, it is fast starting your career as a marketer in terms of marketing your own products. That's for sure. It's very, very busy 30 days. You're gonna need a holiday after it, but at the same time, it's so epically important that you do all this. And then finally, post-training week 5, this is going to be sort of the looking forward into the future, right? This is what it's going to be like in the future. Where do you want this business to go? How are you going to scale it? Are you going to, start going to networking events, meet some more inspiring people? And that's sort of the planning phase, right? It's only a short week. There's only 3 days shown there. And what's going to happen is you're going to go through, all of your business models, see what's happening. You're going to go try to scale, get some more traffic, get some more sales. And then from there, if you want to take, your business to the moon, the opportunities there, they can like funnel you off into different things. There's way more training for different things. So that's probably the biggest 30-day training you'll probably find on the internet. And I think it's only $100 to get started, right? You even get sent like a box, and it's got your own worksheets, it's got your own books, it's got like MP3s, it's got crazy amounts of stuff, right? So instead of me talking about it, I'm actually just going to show you what you actually get. So I've got the page here. I've linked it in the description. Make sure you check that out. But this is the brand new video that the Clickfunnels team has created. It's absolutely hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. I only just saw it this morning, so I had to shoot this video today. It's got me really, really excited again for the challenge. But if you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. I'll turn down my volume, but it's hilarious. It's all about influencers. You know how influencers, they may have a lot of followers, but there's all those speculation stories on the internet how no one had any actual money from being an influencer. You could have like 1 million followers but struggle to sell 20 t-shirts or something it was. I remember a couple of stories like that. So make sure you check this out. It's absolutely hilarious. But the bonuses you're going to get today, not from me, but from just joining this challenge, I'll give you a quick look. You're going to get the 30 days, the coaching. You're going to get your custom kit, which is this one here. You get, your different books and everything. It's actually really cool. This book here, the 30days.com. That's amazing. I've got a few friends that have written their paragraph in there. It's pretty much like, what would you do? They're asking experts, what would you do if you lost everything? What would you do in 30 days to get back up to speed? And they all had their own little section put in there. It's really cool to see the different mentalities of people. So you can get all of this stuff, plus you also get the hardcover book of the 30 days, plus you get the workbook, plus you get your own MP3 player, plus you get like all these other goodies. And this is just what they give you for the $100, right? It's absolutely ridiculous. It's like they claim it's to over $3,000 worth, getting it for $100. But on top of that, I want to hook you guys up too, right? So I've been through this twice, and I'm consistently taking away more things from it. And I know it's going to be super beneficial for you. So I'm trying to dangle a little bit of a gold carrot in front of you as well, just because I know this challenge is going to help you more than anything, and I want to help out as well. So I'm going to be giving you 2 of my signature courses for free. I've previously been selling them for like $300, so you get those for free, as well as a little YouTube cheat sheet, which is going to teach you how to rank videos on YouTube really, really quickly. Those are going to be my bonuses for you. So it's like probably like a $600, $700, $800 bonus right there. And it's only going to be for you guys if you decide to get started through the link in the description. So make sure you check that out. But that's all I wanted to really show you on the page. What I'm going to do is quickly jump back to the screen, and I'm just going to say a few final words. So there it is, guys, the One Funnel Away challenge. As you can see, there's crazy amounts of resources that you get inside of the challenge. The 30 days, you do so much work. Honestly, you are going to need a bit of a holiday from the computer from after that. But the good thing is, if you do follow the challenge step by step for 30 days, you might have to work a few hours a day. By the end of it, you should have a fully working online business, and everything should be working and actually be automated as well, right? So imagine if 30 days from now, you actually implemented everything and you started getting results from your own business, and then you got a blueprint where you could scale it to make ongoing money. Would that be very exciting? I'm pumped to go back into it. There's so much more that I need to take away from this challenge. And there is a time limit too. I forgot to mention this earlier. After the 30 days are over and after you've started the challenge, you've actually only got another 30 days to watch all the videos, and then the membership gets erased. I was actually going to show you previous One Funnel Away challenges that I've actually done, but they've all been deleted, so I can't show you any of them. So you got to be in to win with this one. It's a really, really exciting challenge. Anyway, that's it. If you guys want to secure the Clickfunnels bonuses, plus you want to secure my bonuses I want to give away, make sure you use that link in the description. I'll leave some instructions how you can get those free bonuses. And that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you've liked it, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video and inside the challenge. See you then.